shutting down because there are no readers. And because there are no readers, in the end, there are no advertisers. Right? Because advertisers, at least the small ones, like many of us in this room, want response. Many of them. And the small advertisers actually track response on a daily basis. When they release a 10,000 rupee advertisement in a newspaper or a 2,000 rupee ad in somewhere on a cable TV channel, they track response. Because they don't have the 100 crores to spend on the internet like an Airtel or a Reliance or some of the big guys who routinely spend hundreds and hundreds of crores. They track every penny spent. Which is why the first people to move to the internet are SMEs, small and medium enterprises. So almost every small and medium enterprise today, Naukri has a customer base. We have 35,000 companies who use Naukri to recruit. Who used Naukri to recruit last year in the slowdown. Out of this 35,000, 32,000 are SMEs. Companies you not have even heard of. But they are the first ones to move to the internet. Because they just put an ad to Mera kaam ho gaya, I'm not just in brand building. Many of the big guys who are still, obviously need to spend a lot of money on brand building, like the Cokes and the Pepsis and the Airtels and the Reliances of the world. They continue to advertise in print and they continue to advertise on TV channels. We do so as well because we also need to invest. And I'll come to that difference between online versus offline. But the bottom line is that people are moving to the internet. And if you are targeting young users, especially people who are less than 35 years old, if they don't read a newspaper, how will they see your ad? And how will they respond to it? Because they're spending all their time online. So for those of you, many of you may be familiar with online sort of tools and techniques and some of the terms. So for some of you who are not, I'll just take you through what we do at Naukri and that will give you a sense of how you can use online a lot better today to market your services. So there is Google Ads. I'm sure many of us are. How many of you use Google Ads for advertising? Right? So we are also one of the bigger spenders on Google. We do regular banner ads like this one on Jeevan Saathi, which you can see on the Yahoo homepage, and for Naukri as well, in mail, inside, on the site, on the homepage, inside somewhere. We do even innovative ad types like this one for Jeevan Saathi. So we are very, very big spenders online. And now I'll spend some time on this slide on how our spend has moved for online versus offline. So in the year, we first started advertising in a reasonable manner in the year 2001-2002. And that time was very different. Because at that time, there were just 2 million people on the internet. Right? And we as a company had to reach out to more people. And we said, look, we have to go beyond the internet. And therefore, we used to spend a lot of our money on print in the early years. Okay? And for two other reasons. One, unlike television, which was the other alternative, television requires a lot of money to even be present on television. So if you're a small spender, if your budget is in lakhs or in thousands, you can't even think of television. It's not available as an option. So therefore, you're left with print, and that's about at that time in 2003, 2004, because Google etc. were very small. They were virtually sort of not even present in India at that time. So we used to give these small ads in classifieds, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. And we are an internet company. We can monitor what's happening on our site every day. We have all the data which is available to us. So we were a spender which would advertise and spend 20,000 rupees and then see what the impact was on the site. Did the traffic go up? Did we get more visitors? Did we get more CVs? And so on and so forth. And for a while we continued to advertise in print. We used to advertise in the Hindu opportunities, because we were a career brand. We used to advertise in the Main Times of India paper. Never big display ads. We tried one or two, but they flopped badly. But at least small ads, box ads, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 rupees. But, what we realized was that after a few sort of such ads, the response started falling dramatically. So earlier let's say if we would release a 20,000 rupee ad, we would get maybe 200 CVs or 300 CVs on that day extra. Very soon it became 50 CVs, 60 CVs, 30 CVs, and therefore the effectiveness of advertising started falling dramatically. So we said, look, we have to do something different. So we tried new creatives, we tried new different papers, etc., etc. But after a while, we hit a sort of roadblock. And but we did not have too much money to spend, so we were still sort of saying, okay, and there weren't too many opportunities available to spend on the internet. Because the internet, like I said, was 2 million, 3 million, 5 million people only. And we had to reach out to more people beyond the internet. Somewhere in 2005, 2006, as you can see, our mix changed dramatically. Almost half our money started going towards online. Okay? That's a substantial number. And this was the year in which we did a very big deal with Rediff, which is one of the biggest portals in the country today. And he said, look, we will pay you for performance only. Okay, so we'll pay you a 2 rupees a click or 2.5 rupees a click at that time. And we'll spend, but we'll guarantee you that we'll spend a lot of money. And that deal was actually a big one for us. And it turned out to be such a fantastic deal in the end for us and also Rediff, that we never looked back. And we said, look, internet is the future. Because my cost of acquisition of a CD from the newspaper was hitting the 1,000 rupee mark at that time. And from Rediff, I was able to get CDs at that time at 70 rupees, 80 rupees, 60 rupees a CD. So I said, look, I'm actually going to be saving thousands of percent, okay, or hundreds of percentage, of my money by just, being on Rediff. I don't have to advertise in newspapers anymore. So two things happened. One, we almost stopped advertising in newspapers. I think we went to zero as far as newspapers are concerned. We started doing barter deals in newspapers and look, you take our ad, we take your ad on our site. That kind of stuff. We will not pay you. We moved a lot of money online and then we moved to television. Because by this time our budgets had become bigger and we were able to afford television. So we said, let's do something on TV. So some of you may remember some of those early ads from Naukri where, there was the guy gets angry at the boss and the boss gets angry at him and then he throws water at him and so on and so forth. That started around 2005, 2006, 2007. And that was all.